Some phenomenal freebies today, and you can get this free makeup mirror from I Want. This is part of a giveaway, so enter and good luck. Super Savvy May are looking for their laundry dream team testers again, so sign up to Super Savvy May and sign up to be eligible to win. Oh, good luck. Bear are giving away a free kids height chart and stickers for your little ones. This is just the perfect thing to track their height, especially with back to school season. This is my personal favourite, and Whoop are giving away free Dr. Pawpaw balms. Just join in their Perfect Glow campaign and sign up today. Home Tester Club are coming in with the goods. I've already applied for this, and you can get a free Gucci perfume. Ooh. Fun fact, this is my most favourite chocolate of all time, and Shoppy Mum are giving away free boxes. There's so many more freebies like this one on latestfreestuff.co.uk or download our app.